say, good luck anak sa mga plans mo in life. Basta always remember, nandito lang si mommy tsaka si daddy kung ano man gusto mo. So wish ko lang sana maging good boy ka palalo. Alam ko naman na napaka-responsible mo bata.
Are you ready? Ready to go? Are you ready? Ready for more? Are you ready? Ready for me? Oh my, you ready? Ready or not, we going. And I can't stop, are you ready? Ready for me? Oh my, oh my. Oh my, gonna hit it big. I got my eyes on the prize. Oh my, gonna spin the wheel, cash it in and roll the dice. Oh my, it's a thing of gold. All I do is win, all I do is win. Oh my, no one ever fold. Start it up, let the game begin. Way up high, take it low. I'm feeling right from head to toe. Light it up and let it roll. Here I go. Are you ready? Ready to go? Are you ready? Ready for more? Are you ready? Ready for me?
Happy birthday, Allen! I hope you have a great day.
Sana happy ka na yung birthday mo. And sana laging mabait, laging sweet. And I am so blessed to have you as my son.
Kahit sa atin niya, sweet yan. Pag pupunta kami niyan sa grocery,
He went to the grocery without me. And then, I didn't ask him to get anything. And then, he came back and he got these chips. The thing I really wanted at the time.
Are you ready? Ready to go? Are you ready? Ready for more? Are you ready? Ready for me? Oh my, you ready? Ready or not, we going. And I can't stop, are you ready? Ready for me? Oh my,
wala na akong mahihiling anak, kundi continue what you're doing, maging God-fearing, God-loving, tapos maging respectful sa elders. Even your ate, alam ko lagi kang inaasar ni ate. Continue loving your ate. Kayong dalawa lang yung laging magtulungan. Actually, ayaw niya ng party, ayaw niya. Basta gusto lang niya, kasama niya yung friends niya, yung classmates niya, mga friends niya.
is open wide. I wanna feel alive. I hear adventure call. Hey, hey, what are you saying? Feels like a perfect day. Get lost and find our way.
Mahilig silang magkulitan sobrang kulitan sila to na max, saka madalas yun, nag-play sila ng badminton or kaya minsan naman sa school, nagpapatulong din si Allen.
This is the good life. This is the good life.
Allen, wish ko sa'yo, matupad talaga yung pinaka gustong-gusto mong gawin mula nung ikaw ay 3 years old. Sana maging ka talaga, maging engineer or contractor. And I know gusto-gusto mo ng real life na dito, excavator. Kaya lang di na kaya ng budget ni Mami ang excavator mo. So sana pagdaki mo makabili ka ng excavator at ang yung Tesla. Yun. So, sana continue to be sweet sa amin, saka sana kahit sa mga classmates mo, maging sweet ka sa lahat ng mga kakasalamuha mo. And stay as smart and humble as you are.